Hey, Dave here with InvestED, and happy Canada Day, everyone, or Canada Week. You'll be watching this just after we celebrate Canada Day. It's been a very interesting year to be Canadian and to be a Canadian investor. We've seen some things happen this year that are quite unusual. We can talk about the volatility, but primarily the experience that we've had as Canadians and Canadian investors from seeing what's happening south of the border with respect to tariff policy, and even some of the rhetoric that suggested Canada become the 51st state. Through all of that, though, what I wanted to look at was how is the Canadian market done, the Canadian stock market. The last episode I talked about Canadians investing globally. Now let's talk about Canadians investing in Canada and what the year has looked like. And so I've got a chart of the Canadian stock market up here behind me. And the first thing to recognize is that right now, and I'm taping this on the Friday before Canada Day, the Canadian stock market is at an all-time high. It's up almost at 27,000, just a little bit short of 27,000. Remember that when we hit this point in the middle of the year, right, in the height of the tariff scare in April of this year, the TSX was down to almost 22,000, right? It started a year ago down just under 22,000. So when you do the math on that, it's been a very good last 12 months to be invested in Canada, even though there's been lots of ups and downs along the way. And this is one of the things, as we get emotional and we get patriotic and we get excited about Canada, right? That's fantastic. But to get excited about and emotional about what's going on in our investment portfolios, that's one of the things we want to try and avoid. One of the things we certainly saw through this period was Canadians got emotional about their investments, made some decisions because of those emotions that you'd like to avoid. Whereas what we really want to do, get a good advisor, get a good plan, sit down, figure out how we want to manage through this information, gather that information, and then make great decisions. That way, we can build our portfolios, take care of our money, and enjoy this beautiful country that we live in called Canada. Dave with InvestED. We'll talk to you soon.